ICSE Mathematics Class 9, Chapter 2, Exercise 2.3. Question 11. Mahindra set up a factory by investing rupees 25 lakhs. During the first years, his profit were 5% and 10% respectively. If each year the profit was on the previous year capital, calculate his total profit. यहाँ थीम है कि महिंद्रा ने एक फैक्ट्री 25 लाख में स्थापित की, जिसमें कि पहले वर्ष में 5% और दूसरे वर्ष में 10% का लाभ होता है, और यह लाभ पिछले साल की कैपिटल पर कैलकुलेट होता है। तो उसकी टोटल प्रॉफिट की गणना करनी है। महिंद्रा प्रेजेंटली इन्वेस्टेड ₹25 lakhs. Its first year increase in capital equal to 25 lakh into 100, 5 by 100, that is 26,25,000. Its second year increase is equal to 26,25,000 into 100, 10 by 100, that is 28,87,500. Total profit is equal to capital at the end of the second year minus 25 lakhs equal to 28,87,500 minus 25 lakhs equal to 3,87,500. Question number 12. The value of property increasing at the rate of 25% every year. By what percent will the value of property increase after 3 years? यहाँ थीम है कि एक प्रॉपर्टी हर साल 25% इंक्रीज कर रही है, तो वह 3 सालों में जो उसकी कैपिटल होगी वह कितने परसेंट इंक्रीज करेगी। लेट द प्रेजेंटली द वैल्यू ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी बी V0, टाइम पीरियड n इक्वल टू 3 years, increasing rate equal to R% equal to 25%. The value of property after 3 years V equal to V0 into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, V0 into 1 plus 25 by 100 to the power 3, V0 into 1 plus 1 by 4 power to the power 3, V0 into 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 is equal to 125 by 64 V0. Increase after 3 years is equal to 125 by 20 by 64 V0 minus V0 equal to 125 V0 minus 64 V0 by 64 equal to 61 V0 by 64. Percentage increase equal to 61 V0 by 64 by V0 into 100 equal to 95 and 5 by 16% increase. That's all.